Yeah, so yesterday, in the previous class, we are seeing some little bit introduction about multiplication. Okay, so let me explain you once again. Suppose let us take A, B, C, D, and E is multiplying with X, Y, Z. It means that it means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is multiplying with 4, 8, 9 like this. We have 5 digits, 3 digits. We have 5 digits A, B, C, D, E, and 3 digits are X, Y, Z. Okay, let me write each and every step very clearly here. So 5 and 3, 8. So 7 times I want to draw it. A, B, C, D, E, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, X, Y, Z. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, X, Y, Z. So these many steps we have to solve in a single step. The first rule, we are selecting or we can solve from both ends, left to right to left. So we will focus on left to right now. Okay. Uh, highest to most value I am selecting. Okay. Why? Because you are starting from the left side. So we are focusing on the multiplier. So it is multiplied with first highest to place value of the multiplicand. We are multiplying A into X. Next, my selected digit. See, I am talking about X. It now moving to B. So it is leaving A one step. So we have to go forward one step. So these two will be multiplied. Now my X is now moving to C. This is the first step. Every time you have to calculate like this one. So it is moving to one step. It is moving to one step. Only one step. Next, it is moving back forward and it is moving like this. So these two will be multiplied. The place by where it is ended, that is important. Now my X now moving to D and one step and the next one step. So my X is now moving to E, one step, one step. Now very important point comes here. When your selected digit reach to the unit place digit of the multiplicand, when you are solving the problem left to right, in the next step it is eliminated and the new digit will be selected. The new digit is always multiplied with unit place digit. So, and one step and one step. If you move this side, there is no digit here. So that is the reason no step. Your selected digit now reach to unit place digit. So it will be eliminated in the next step and the new digit will be selected and it will be multiplied again with the unit place digit answer. So in this case, B into X plus A into Y we got. In this case, X into C plus B into Y plus A into Z we got. In this case, X into D plus C into Y plus B into Z we got. In this case, X into E plus plus dy plus cz. In this case, y into e plus dz we got. In this case, z into e we got. This is the left to right procedure. Okay, this is the left to right procedure. Now let us try to solve right to left. Okay. Whenever you are starting from right to left, rightmost digit. That means unit place digit in the multiplication. We want to select it. So that is multiplied with unit place digit. Where you are starting, exactly you go there. This is the right leftmost digit. This is the leftmost digit. In this case, we are starting from right to left. So rightmost digit into rightmost digit of the multiplication and multipliers, we want to select here. Okay. So that is the important point here. Okay. Now,
If you are talking, we cannot hear you right now.
yeah, I'm not talking. So next, my Z value moving to second digit. And remember one thing here very carefully. Every time you have to start from Z to another digit, but not to another digit, not to Z, sorry. I'm repeating again. Every time we have to focus on Z where it is moving, but don't focus on other digit are moving on Z. So you don't say D to Z. We are moving to Z to D. That is important. So leaving one digit here and leaving one digit here, these two multiply, and my Z now moving to C. So one digit multiplied, one digit forward steps multiplied. So my Z now reaching to D. Why? Because already reached to C. Okay, one step you move, one step. These two multiply, one step and the one step, and these two multiply. Now my Z value now reached to A value. So one step, let me write clearly. Yeah? So one step moving and one step moving. See, one step from one step. So these are the first step. From that steps you have to start, not X to Z. It is not a process. Where you are selected is it there, from that side you have to move. Now my Z is reached to highest place value of the multiplicand. So it is eliminated and the new digit is selected. In the previous case, when new digit is selected, it always multiplied unit place digit, yes or no? In this case, you are starting from right to left, so highest place value will be multiplied. And one step, one step. Next, it will be eliminated and the new digit will be selected. It is always multiplied by x. Every time have, sorry, have the same answer. There is no change in the answer. From both ends, you are getting the same thing. That is the reason I'm not erasing the solutions here. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
It is very powerful formula. Why? Because we can solve algebra multiplication and numerical multiplication. Today we will see numerical multiplication. Tomorrow we will see algebra multiplication. So now we are focusing on this one. Yeah, Kunal, give me any number.
2, 4, and 3. 2, 4, and 3.
Yeah. Let me call upon another any person. Lasya, can you give any number?
7.
Only 7. Okay. 7. See. We are multiplying. Suppose if you are starting from left to right, first digit multiplied 14, it is reached to this number. Next it will be reached to this number 28. Next it will be reached to the next number 27. So 1, if you adding, then you are getting 30. I am taking 0, adding 17. So this is the your final answers. 1700 and not 1. Okay, this is a simple one, not that much difficult. Any other one? Give me multiplier, please. Anyone? Give me any multiplier. Hello.
56.
50. So 56 I got. Now see. Let me write steps, so then you can easily understand. After onwards, once you understand the steps, I'm not going to write all the steps. I will do directly. Let me show you here. Okay, let me show you here. Left to right. Selected. See, I'm round upping here, means your focus must be on the 5. That is the reason I'm round upping that. Recording is going on or stopped?
It's going on.
So 5 times of 2 is 10. Now my 5 moving to 4. My 5 I selected. And 1 digit after digit. So 20 plus 12, that is 32. Now my 5 is moving to 3. And 1 digit after. 15 plus 24, that is 39. So my 5 reached to 3, it is eliminated. New digit is selected, that is multiplied with unit place digit. So that gives us here 18. So if you balancing the steps, here you are getting 8. This one is carry forwarded to this part. Then this number become 40. In the 40 we are taking 0. And this is carry forward to this number. Then it is become 36. We are taking only 6. 3 is carry forward to the next place. Then it is become 30. So this is the final solution. In the right side, left side, the same thing you will do. Now see, this is I am selected. So 5 into 2, 10. See, 5 into 2, 10. Now my 5 moving to 4. 20 plus 12, 32. Now my 5 to moving to 3. That is 15 plus 24. That is 39. Now my 5 is reached to 3. It means that it is eliminated and the new step is selected, new digit. My new digit is always multiplied with the unit place digit of the multiplicand in the case of left to right. So that is 18. So final answer will be 8, 0, 4 is carry forwarded, 36 and 3 carry forwarded 13. So this is my final answer. You have to solve like this. Initially, I am explaining you like this because of you have to understand the concept. Okay, let me take here another one. Suppose 23 times of 134. I selected this one, this into this one. That is 2. Now my 2 is moving to 1 is moving to 3. 1 3 just. Okay. 1 3 just. So before digit and after digit, these two will be multiplied. 6 plus 3 is 9. Now observe carefully. My digit is reached to unit place digit, so it is eliminated. New digit is selected. New digit always multiplied with unit place digit of the 3 is always multiplied with unit place digit of the multiplicand here. Okay, that is 9 and these two 8. That is 17. Next step, it will be eliminated. Why? Because it is reached to unit place digit. New digit is selected and it is multiplied with unit place digit, that is 12. So 2803 will be my final answer. Same problem. Let me solve this problem from right to left. So I selected this one. So that is 12 in the first step. Next, this into this. My 4 reaching to this one, this combination. So 8 plus 9, that is 17. So my 4 is reached to 2. So new digit is selected and it is multiplied with highest two place value of the multiplicand, and this into this will be multiplied. Why? Because after, before, after. If you cannot go this side, why? Because there is a no digit. Okay. 6 plus 3 is 9 and it is eliminated and the new digit is selected. So 3, 0, 8, 2 will be my final answer. Are you getting everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
So let me give a few examples for the practice case. 24 times of 32. 321 times of 32. 432 times of 130, 120. Come on, try to solve these two problems and identify where you are getting difficultiness to solve the problems. If you identify and you tell me, then I will clear your doubts. Okay, come on. Okay, let us see the first one. 24 times of 32. So if you are focusing on 3, so 3 into 2 will be 6. Next, my 3 moving to 4, that is 12. So this is 12. And after, before combination will be this, that is 4. Then you are getting 16. And next new digit will be selected after cancellation of the previous selected digit. So then you are getting 8. So 768 you got. Now let us check 24 times of 32 is nothing but 768 or not. If you see the Bijang of the number, Bijang of 24, if you see, that is 6. And the Bijang of 32, if you see, is 5. And this number are in the relation of multiplication. So Bijang also in the relation of multiplication. Then you are getting 30. So no, 30 is nothing but 3. Now let us see the Bijang of these numbers. So here you can do like this. If you add all the numbers, then there is a no problem. Or you can take complements also. Then also there is a no problem. Now, okay, see 13 plus 8. 19. How much? 19. Sorry.
No, I think it's 21, sir.
Which one?
The Bijang of 768.
13, yeah, 21. So 21 is nothing but 3. So both are matching. So we can say that maybe our answer is correct in this case. Now 321 times of 32, if you see. My focus on only 3 in earlier stage. Now 3 moving to 3, then I got 9. My 3 moving to 2, that is 6. And the previous combination will be 6. Then you are getting 12. Now my 3 is already reached to 2 na. So now this time it will be reached to 1. 1 3 times of 3 will be 3. Okay. And 2 into 2 is 4. So that is 7. Now it is eliminated, new digit is selected, and then you are getting 2. So 0, 7, 2 is your, 0, 2, 7, 2 is your answer in this case. Okay. let me check whether you are getting the correct answer or wrong by using Bijang concept. Okay. So that gives us here the Bijang will be 6 and in this case the Bijang will be 5. So that is nothing but Bijang will be 3 here, the same 5 times of 3. In this case, these two digits will eliminated and 1 plus 2 gives us 3. So both are same. So we can say that maybe our answer is correct. Of course, 95 to 98% we will correct. In case I will change, I will shuffle the digits any other places, then it will be going to wrong. So 432 times of 120. Okay, right. Now remember one thing. I will tell you one important point here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit if we have in the answer we have one less than that digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are there. Answer blocks will be 4 digits. In this case, we have totally 6 digits. 5 blocks must be come. More than 5 blocks, less than 5 blocks will come. That means you are doing somewhere wrong or you missed some steps somewhere. So it is my selected digit. So focus on it. 1 is now moving to 4. 4 I got. Now 1 is moving to 3. So 3 and 8, that is 11. Now my 1 is moving to 2. Okay. So these are the pair now. So before digit and the after digit multiplied. Before digit, after digit will be multiplied. So 2, 6, 8, 8 plus 12, 20. Now this time 1 will be eliminated and the new digit will be selected. Okay, this is the digit I selected. And it is always multiplied unit place digit. So 4 plus 9 is 30. Next time it is selected and it will be multiplied with this digit. Then you are getting 6. So 6, 3, 1, 3, 5 is the my final result here. So it means, let me check whether our answer is correct or wrong. Okay. So this is the your answer. Now let me check it. So if you see the Bijang here, Bijang is 0. Why? Because 7, all the digit will be cancelled out. In this case, you will get 6. If you multiply, then you are getting 0 as the Bijang. So this and this will be cancelled out and this also cancelled out. So I'm getting 0. So both are matching. So we can say that maybe our answer correct in this case. Okay. In this way, we have to move. Okay. Let me take some big problem. In this case, I'm using Vinculum. So before going to use Vinculum, tell me now how many members are understood this concept. Not Vinculum, previous multiplication concept. How many members understood? Please text me in the chat.
Could you say that again? My internet was lagging.
Sorry.
Could you say what we have to put in the chat? My internet was going.
Did you understand concept?
Yes.
Right. Suppose sometimes what happens here, (32 times of 78 is there. Some. Then 32 is there. Let me convert 78 like 80 minus 2, or else you can select both digits, not a problem. Then 122, 100 minus 22 is nothing but 78. Okay, you can take any two of these, that is 80 and 2 bar. Let me take first step. 8 into 3 is 24. That is not a problem here. And the second step will be this one. Second step will be this one. 8 times of 2 will be 16. 3 times of minus 2 will be minus 6. Then you are getting 10 here. And the final step will be minus 4 here. So minus 4, 0, carry forwarded 25. But this is not the exactly answer. So we have to convert it. So minus, no value is there. So that is the reason I am taking new another digit. From 10, you are getting 6. From 9, you are getting 9. Yeah, and minus 1 subtracting 4, 2. So this is the final answer of the given question. And 32, 1, 2, 2 if you take like this, even though you are getting the same answer. Let me solve it. 1 selected, 1 into 3, 3. And 1 into 2 minus 6, that is minus 4. Next new digit, minus 4 minus 6, that is minus 10. Okay, after that, that will be minus 4. So minus 4, 0, and it is adding to this one. Both are negative digits, so it is minus 5 and 3 you will get. Now if you convert the digit from 10, 6, from 9, and we are subtracting 1 from the last digit 2, in this case also you are getting the same. Or if you multiply as it is, then let us see what happened. So 21 you are getting, this is next step, 24 plus 14, 38 plus 16. Okay, 6, 9 and 24. So in this case also you are getting same. However, you can take, it is not a matter if you are taking exactly suitable another form or not. So 78 another form you can write like this or like this. In this case, I selected only this one. That's the reason I answered this one. In this case, I selected both digits. So that is the reason this is the answer. That's the Vinupallam conversion we are already learned in the previous case. Okay. Are you getting my point, everybody? Any doubts? When two-digit number will be there is no problem. There is no need to convert into Vinupallam also. When larger number comes out, suppose 435 times of 389 is there. It is very difficult number. Calculation becomes very lengthy. 435. Let me convert these two digits. From 10, from 9, add 1 to this number. 4. I selected these two only. If you select single digit, then it will be 10. If you check single digit, only the first one, then add 1 here. Still, there is a complicated answer will come. Why? Because 9 is a larger number. However, you are converting is not a issue. So 4, 1 bar, let me take. The first step, 16. This is the second step. So 12 minus 4 is 8. Now my 4 is moving to this number, this into this, this into this, this into this. So 20 minus 7, that is 13. Next step, my 4 is eliminated and this digit will be selected. And this into this will be minus 8 I got and minus 5 I got. So minus 5, 8 bar, 3, 9, 16. So this is the selected number. So 16, 9, 2, 1, 5. So this is the my final answer. If you solve as it is, then let us see what happened, what changes will comes in the question. So first case 12 I am getting 9 plus 32, that is 41. Okay. Next 15 plus 24 plus 32. You can see now how larger number came here. So 9, 11, 1, 4, 71. So 71 you got. Okay. In the next step, let us see the next one. So next one, if you see 40 plus 27, 40 plus 27, that is 67. And the next one will 45. So 5, 71, 78, and this will be, oh no, I did anything is wrong. Let me check it. 8 is okay, not 8 we will get. Let me rewrite this question. Somewhere I did mistake, or maybe I will do some mistake in this case also, I don't know. 4, 3, 5 and 4, not 4 it is. The question what is that? Yeah. So 12, 9 plus 32, that is 41. Next 15, 24, 36 it is, not 30, it is 36. So 5, 7. Okay, the next step will be 40 and 27, that is 67 and the 45. So 5, 71. Okay, if you 2 moves, 2, 8 moves, 9, 16. So this is the answer. I hope you understand what is the advantage of converting into vinculum and normal way of doing. See, the small number came here, but if you see very large numbers are came here in between. So that is the use of the vinculum. In this way, we are using vinculum concept. I hope everyone is clear so far whatever I am discussing. So in case do you have any doubts, so please raise your hand and you can ask your doubts right now. Come on. In case you don't have any doubt, just ping me. There is a no doubt in the chat box.
I think I got it, sir.
Okay, very good. What about others?
I got it too.
Good.
I got it.
Okay. Lasya, okay. Yeah. So do little bit practice at home. Whatever problems you take your own. There is no need to send a practice sheet from my side. Why? Because randomly, if you select the numbers, then only you can realize. Okay. In case I will send the problems, specific problems I will send. But when you are solving your own problems, your ability will be increases. So today there is